Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to block YouTube channels. First, navigate to the channel you wish to block. You can do this by clicking on their channel name from a video or search result. Once on their channel page, look for the About tab or the 3 vertical dots next to their name. Clicking these will reveal an option to block user. This action prevents them from commenting on your videos and hides their content from your feed, offering a cleaner viewing experience. It's a straightforward way to curate your personal YouTube space. For more robust control, consider using browser extensions. Tools like BlockTube or similar offerings can significantly enhance your viewing experience. These extensions allow you to hide videos from specific channels, block content containing certain keywords, or even filter out entire categories you'd rather not see. They provide a powerful layer of customization beyond YouTube's native settings, giving you greater command over the content that appears in your recommendations and search results. It's a fantastic way to tailor your feed precisely. YouTube also offers built-in settings to help manage your viewing. Activating restricted mode can filter out potentially mature content, though it's not 100% accurate. You can also significantly influence your recommendations by regularly clearing or pausing your watch history. For younger viewers, setting up a supervised account through Family Link allows parents to approve channels and set content levels, providing a safer environment. These native features offer foundational control over your YouTube experience. Finally, if you encounter content that violates YouTube's community guidelines, reporting it is crucial. This isn't just about personal preference, it's about maintaining a safe and respectful platform for everyone. You can report individual videos or entire channels directly from their pages. When reporting, be sure to provide specific details about why you believe the content is inappropriate. Your reports are reviewed by YouTube's team and contribute significantly to upholding the platform's standards and policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.